Hello guys, a short video about this Umarex. I think it's model M712. Anyway, it's called Broomhandle. Bought this one a couple weeks ago. If you do enough research, you see uh, this thing, okay, has a couple problems. Okay, number one, we talk about pro and cons. Okay, first, pros, good looking guy. Okay, has a semi-auto and a full auto, and heavyweight, full auto. I mean full metal. Okay, really fun. Okay, to shoot. All right, and that's pros. Okay, a really good one. Okay, worth to buy. Okay, if you really like this old model, I mean old gun look. Okay, really good. All right, the cons. Okay, cons number one. If you do enough research, you will know. Okay, the number one problem. Okay, is loose barrel. Okay, I had the same problem. Okay, there's a little tiny screw under here. All right, the little hole, the very, it's called, what's the name? The screw, it's called a grab something. Anyway, it's really little one to fasten thing. Okay, it's really short, really tiny. Okay, if you just use a normal, uh, just do a normal way to tighten it, okay, you will see the barrel get loose again. Okay, but if you tighten it too much, okay, eventually you will go through the inner barrel. Okay, they will punch through. Okay, and then if you still screw in, they will pass through the outer. Actually, there's two. Here's you see here's connection. This one extend to here, and this one outer one. Okay, and put on there. Okay, use screw here to fasten it. Okay, so if you tighten too much, it will go through the inner one, or pass through the inner one. There's a little, the real one that pass through the inner. Okay, there's like a little one, like a copper one. That's a real barrel. The BB will go through. They'll go through there. In that case, in this barrel, that screw cannot really fix this one. Cannot make this one stay together. You will see this will droop. Okay, will droop down. Okay, and another problem actually is not only outer one is loose, the inner one, okay, is loose too. The real barrel, okay, the BB pass through, that one's loose too. If you take apart, you can see that one is really loose. You can move it all the way up, down, left, right. Okay, so couple ways I did. Okay, first thing, okay, when you remove the outer one, this part, they will expose the inner one. I cannot do it right now. Okay, the inner one is like a brass or copper one. There's like a rubber part in the front. Okay, between that one and this one, there has little space. Okay, to make this one move. Okay, between the inner one and this one. So what I did is I put some Scotch tape wrap around inner one, the rubber part. Okay, and then put this one in. So that means even though when you get this barrel a little loose, okay, they will not really droop too much. Okay, they will not, because the inner one, outer one, they stay together. Okay, I put some tape between them. You can use other ways like masking tape or something, whatever. I just use some Scotch tape and wrap around several times. Okay, and put in there. And in that case, you will not see this one. When you shake this in the front, you will not see it loose. Okay, they cannot be, it's not movable. Okay, so that's one thing I did. Some people, they put something by the end, there are two rubbers here and here. Some people did something at the end, but I don't think it's a good way, because if this barrel moves, they still move in the front. Okay, so I fix in the front. Okay, and the second thing, okay, I see some people glue the barrel. Okay, I don't want to do that, because if something happens, I cannot remove it. I saw some people, okay, they put comment. They say they use some uh, called thread locker glue. Okay, like this one. Okay, they use this one. Right, use this one. Put on the little screw. Okay, and then you tighten it. Okay, and then cure for at least 24 hours. I wait about 4 or 5 days. Anyway, I don't have time to play. Okay, normal days. Today's weekend. Okay, I took it out. I shot several rounds, like two CO2s cartridge. Okay, full auto, semi-auto, no problem at all. Okay, see, it stay tighten. Okay, no problem. I don't know later if we have shoe more, maybe get loose. I don't know. Okay, if it still get loose, okay, I'm gonna glue the barrel anyway. So, but right now everything looks fine. Okay, should be no problem. Okay, and there are different type of thread locker. Okay, they have red or purple, whatever. The blue one, they say this one you can be I mean you can remove it. Okay, by hand too. But if you put the red one, it come like permanent. You have to use heat or something to remove screw later. Okay, I don't want to use that one. Okay, I just use this one. And another thing I found out. Okay, I look at the comment. Okay, it happened to me also. Okay, that's one of the cons. Okay, at the end of sometimes, okay, you put like a semi-auto, there's two settings, semi-auto and full auto. Okay, sometimes it automatic, even though you shoot in the semi-auto mode. Okay, sometimes it go to a full auto. Okay, I don't know why, but it did not happen in the middle. Okay, I think it happened twice. Okay, it happened at the end. Okay, when the CO2 almost run out. Okay, you will see this will go to like a full auto mode like that. Okay, but it's okay. I don't think it's a big problem. Okay, everybody wants to shoot this gun with full auto. Okay, so it's not a big deal. So I think that's all. Okay, everything look good so far. Okay, I will do a follow up. Okay, if something happen later on. Okay, if this barrel become loose. Okay, I'll tell you. Okay, how long I shoot this one. Okay, become loose. But so far everything's good. I use this is a thread locker. Okay, blue. Okay, everything is fixed. All right, just a little bit of tips. Okay, go buy it. Okay, it's a really good one. Oh, by the way, if you buy now from Academy, okay, only $99. Okay, even cheaper than the other website. Evac sell this one for 120 maybe. Okay, Amazon is 120. Some place even more expensive. But Academy right now sell this one for $99. Okay. All right.